Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Navy Federal Credit Union, and we've got 5 insider tips that they probably won't tell you unless you ask. So, stay tuned for some valuable information that could change the way you manage your Navy Federal accounts. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our future videos. And if you're interested in learning more about the Navy Federal Credit Union, feel free to check out our Navy Federal playlist in the link provided in the description below. Let's jump right into it. Automatic credit limit increases. First, a quick recap. Navy Federal offers its members the opportunity to receive an automatic credit limit increase after they've had their credit card for about 6 months. Yes, you heard that right. No application necessary. But here's where the story gets interesting. There's a hidden twist that many aren't aware of. The surprising part is that even if you've already requested a credit limit increase before reaching that 6-month milestone, it doesn't affect your eligibility for an automatic increase. In other words, if you're itching for a credit limit boost, you don't need to wait or worry about the timing of your requests. Whether you've asked for an increase at month 3, month 4, or any other point before the magic 6 months, it won't hinder your chances. While approval isn't guaranteed, it's a cool feature because it's like getting a little financial bonus out of the blue. Sometimes you might be pleasantly surprised. In essence, what this means is that Navy Federal members have multiple opportunities to receive these automatic credit limit increases throughout their journey with the credit union. Secret account lock. Now, let's delve deeper into our second hidden nugget, the secret account lock. This is something that Navy Federal won't proactively disclose, and it can have a significant impact on your credit journey. Picture this. You've been diligently managing your Navy Federal credit card for months, even years, and you're eagerly waiting for that automatic credit limit increase we mentioned earlier. But here's the curveball. Your account might have a mysterious lock placed on it, and Navy Federal won't send you a single notification about it. So why would Navy Federal lock your account without telling you? There could be various reasons. One common trigger is if you've previously chosen to freeze your credit with a credit bureau. Another is if there was a history of fraud alerts on your account. And sometimes, it might just be because they perceive your card usage as a bit too aggressive. This lock can prevent you from getting that coveted automatic credit limit increase, even if you meet all the other criteria. It's like having a door to a world of benefits, but someone forgot to give you the key. So, what can you do if you suspect your account might be locked? The answer is simple. Give Navy Federal a call. Reach out to their customer service team and ask them to check if there's a lock on your account that could be hindering your progress. Remember, this is crucial, especially if you're in line for that automatic credit limit increase. If the lock is there, you'll need to get it removed before you can unlock the potential benefits of an increased credit limit. Credit limit migration. Credit limit migration is like rearranging your financial cards. Imagine you have 2 Navy Federal credit cards, one with a big $30,000 credit limit and the other with a modest $5,000 limit. With credit limit migration, you can rearrange these limits to better match your needs. Here's how it works. You can call Navy Federal and ask them to shift, let's say, $25,000 from one card to another. Suddenly, your second card has a $30,000 limit, and your first card goes down to $5,000. Remember, this feature is primarily for balance transfers and specific needs. Navy Federal won't actively mention it, but they won't hide it either. During a call with Navy Federal's customer service, inquire about credit limit migration and see if it's suitable for your situation. In a nutshell, credit limit migration can help you strategically manage your credit limits, but it's not a carte blanche for limitless shuffling. Requesting a lower APR. Now, let's delve into a topic that could save you some serious money: requesting a lower APR. APR, or annual percentage rate, is the interest you pay on your credit card balance. If you're carrying a balance and your APR is high, it can end up being quite costly. But here's a little known secret. You can ask Navy Federal to lower your APR. Here's the deal. Navy Federal allows you to request a lower APR, but there are a few rules. Firstly, you can't ask for it immediately. You need to wait for your credit card to hit its 1-year anniversary. Once that year is up, you can pick up the phone and call Navy Federal. Ask them politely if they can lower your APR. They might reduce it by 1% or even a few percent. It all depends on your credit and history with the card. Now, if they don't lower it when you ask, you can call back the very next day if you want. There's no harm in trying again. It's not a credit inquiry or anything like that. If you've been responsible with your card, paid on time, and kept your balances in check, you stand a better chance of getting that lower APR. You can save a significant amount on interest over time, especially if you're carrying a balance. So don't be shy. When your Navy Federal credit card hits its 1-year anniversary, pick up the phone and ask if you can catch a break on that APR. It's a simple request that could make a big difference in your financial journey. Product switching. Now, let's uncover a savvy move that can get you one of Navy Federal's top-tier cards without the hassle of a new application: product switching. You start with one of Navy Federal's more accessible cards, like the Platinum, Cash Rewards, or Go Rewards. These cards are relatively easier to get approved for. But what if you want one of their premium cards like the More Rewards or Flagship? Here's where product switching comes into play. Once you're a proud cardholder of, let's say, the Platinum card, and you've built a good track record, you can contact Navy Federal to switch to a more prominent card. Now, there's a little catch. To switch to the Flagship card, for example, you'll need to have a minimum credit limit of $5,000. If your current card doesn't meet this requirement, you may need to work on increasing your limit before making the switch. The beauty of product switching is that you don't need to submit a new application or go through a credit check. You're simply moving from one Navy Federal card to another. Product switching offers the convenience of skipping the requirement for a new application or a credit check. Instead, it's a straightforward process of transitioning from one Navy Federal card to another. So, if you've been responsible with your existing Navy Federal card and you're eyeing one of their premium offerings, don't hesitate to reach out and ask about product switching. It's like an express lane to a card tailored to your needs. And there you have it. 5 insider secrets about Navy Federal Credit Union that they might not tell you unless you ask. Remember, when it comes to managing your finances, knowledge is power. Whether it's automatic credit limit increases, uncovering hidden account locks, credit limit migration, requesting a lower APR, or the art of product switching, these are tools you can use to make the most of your relationship with Navy Federal. Don't be afraid to pick up the phone, ask questions, and explore these options. They can save you money, boost your credit score, and open doors to better financial opportunities. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, don't forget to check out our Navy Federal playlist for more helpful tips and information about Navy Federal and its products. Stay informed, stay empowered, and stay financially savvy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.